Good afternoon, all. Myself Chaitanya. I am going to give a presentation on smart contract-based agriculture food supply chain and traceability under the guidance of Professor Lakshmi Manasana. And these are the contents: introduction, literature survey, methodology, block diagram, applications, results, conclusion, last references. So coming to the introduction, the supply chain connects many entities such as suppliers, logistic providers, processors, distributors, retailers, and consumers, forming a complex network chain structure. This supply chain may go through in even hundreds of stages, leading to a considerable time consumption and involving a wide range of regions. If the product has safety or quality problems, the traceability process is extremely difficult. Agriculture foods are produced by the agriculture such as rice, peanuts, corn, and wheat, which forms the basis of people daily food. There are many participants in the supply chain, and the communication between them is not convenient, leading to a long cycle of whole supply chain. The central manager is under the guidance of supervision of government departments in order to effectively track the product information and ensure the product safety and quality, and thus ensure the safety of consumers also. These are the literature survey and these are the papers which I have referred. So coming to the objectives, to understand and improve the organizational performance, which provides satisfaction to the consumers, and to reduce the cost of the agricultural food supply, and to simplify business and trade between both anonymous and identify parties, sometimes without the need of middlemen also. Then methodology, the smart contract have ability to integrate agricultural food safety into a intelligent system, thus ensuring the quality and safety of the agricultural food and health of the consumers. This presents a framework for use of automated smart contracts on the Hyperledger platform also. When the trigger condition is met, the smart contract automatically sends the presets data in order to restore the new data. And smart contracts receives transaction and trigger events in the form of function calls, enabling participating entities to continuously monitor, track, and receive the appropriate alerts. The main participating entities includes the Agriculture Bureau, farmers, processors, quality supervision bureau, distributor, retailer, consumer, and the blockchain implementing smart contracts. And this is the block diagram, which includes Agricultural Bureau, Quality Supervision Bureau, IFPS, farmer, processor, distributor, retailer, consumer. Next, coming to a brief information, Agriculture Bureau, it is an organization that manages the farmers, keep the recordings of the seeds information to ensure the authenticity of source information. Farmers who may plays a major role, who is responsible for planting crops, using the sensor to monitor and record the details of the crop growth, such as like water, air quality, sunlight, and soil quality in the growth environment. Then IPFS, which performs the storing operation, which stores the information regarding the crop in the form of images and MPEG also. Coming to processor, the farmer harvests the crops and sells them to the processor, who processes the raw crops into produce purchased by the final consumer, and which stores the batch information quantity. The data hash is stored in the form of blockchain, and data label is finally generated and pasted on the product pack after packaging. So coming to Quality Supervision Bureau, this manages the quality and process of the product by the supervision and inspection, and the information is stored in the form of hash value in IPFS. So coming to distributor, the distributor who distribute the product once it is manufactured, the distributor responsible for the storing process agriculture products and selling them into retailers in the form of batch, and company information, product selling time and price and other information is stored in IPFS. Then the retailers who buys the product from the produced from the distributor and sells it in the small quantities to consumers. At lastly, consumers who buys the product and who buys the product final agriculture food and can obtain the supply chain information of the food in the barcode. So coming to applications, the applications of blockchain technology also prevent data tampering, which increases the trust between consumers and enterprises. This food traceable supply chain is very beneficial for agriculture industry, as it can increase efficiency and improve the transparency in food supply chain. Traceability can be used to track the entire process of food product from table, thus it can ensure the safe and high quality. Smart contract can be used to execute contract between buyers and sellers in food supply chain. So coming to results, video monitoring equipment and high definition cameras are installed on the farm in order to monitor the crop situation and agriculture production situation to reduce the use of agriculture pesticides and ensure the safety of agriculture food. The information on the final product packaging purchased by the consumers include not only product name, production type, and manufacturer name also, but also pest traceability in QR code, such as the buckwheat traceability. In case of any problems, crops can be located quickly and rapidly recalled, thus effectively avoiding the spread of crops with problems and greater losses being suffered by the enterprise. So coming to conclusion, this present system architecture design and describes the relationship between agriculture food supply chain entities and interaction between entities. Initially, the farmer has harvested the crop under the monitor cameras in order to track the crop fertility and crop growth also. In the end, the smart contract algorithms are implemented in order to realize tracking and tracing of the agriculture food supply chain in Shan Lefengion, modern agriculture development is introduced cost analysis and problem discussion. The framework for tracking and executing transactions by using Hyperledger smart contracts, which changes the centralization model, eliminates intermediate nodes, and realizes the decentralized model of the agriculture food supply chain, thus meeting the demand for the traceability of agriculture food. So coming to the last slide, references, which these are the references and papers which I have referred. Finally, thank you.